Hi, my name is Angel. I'm from wolfeye.de, and this is the third and last part of this three-part video series in which I would like to show you the most effective method to track your employees, each of your employees' computer live screen as a business owner, as an entrepreneur. And basically, in this last part, I hope you watched the first part and the second part. And in this last part, I would like to give you some notes. First of all, if you're a business owner, or if you watch the videos, you know that you will see the live computer screen remotely using a link from any browser. And that link, you might want that link to be password protected. That is why you will have to write us an email or write us at WhatsApp. Yeah, click here, you contact us on WhatsApp or write us an email so that we send you a link and you will set your own password and the link will be password protected by the password that you choose. That's the first thing. The second thing, you might want to receive a dashboard like this so that you will be able to see all screens at once. I am running it here. You see here, wait. This is the dashboard of the computer I'm monitoring, and I see all the employees' computers at once here under this link. Yeah, that's how you will see it also. For that, you must write us an email, a message on WhatsApp, or whatever. Um, and the last thing I want to tell you is please make sure that you're legally allowed to monitor, to employ these monitoring. Is it allowed in your country and your situation in your company? Make sure that you're legally allowed to do it because there are some countries, like for example in Europe or in the United States, that you're allowed to do it, but under special circumstances, and you must adhere to some conditions before you are able to employ this kind of software. So ask your lawyer for legal advice before you install this kind of software. I hope this helps.